Peppa Pig
and Jimmy Wolf.
Grounded. Get it!
Pew. That was close. Scary Wolf, never catch me.
Go! Oh, I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hurt me!
Peppa and Jimmy Wolf sent Scary Wolf to Mars and gets punishment day. Ha 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 ha. We about to launch the rocket 10-9-8-7-6-5-4-3-2-1 takeoff.
Rocket!
Oh no. Scary Wolf is blasting off to Mars. Meanwhile, on Mars,
Oh no!
I am stuck on Mars. A midget purple alien. Alien magic.
Ah!
When Scary Wolf called the Space Center. Toadette, there's a emergency. That is it alive. A Scary Wolf is stuck on Mars. Put on your spacesuit. Stand by for launch. Rocket ready. Turn the key. All systems go. Take off for Scary Wolf rescue mission.
Oh no!
Don't eat me. Oh my god. Toadette is rescued me. All busted. How dare you sent Scary Wolf to Mars. That's at punishment day.